There's a huge win that came today from Rhode Island thanks to Judge McConnell. If you are one of the members of the 39 countries who are banned from receiving immigrant benefits, from getting adjudications, from entering the country, what Judge McConnell did today is going to help you guys for a very long period of time, at least until the government appeals, but maybe forever if they lose that appeal. Now, under the decision that just was released today, if you are one of the 39 countries, your benefits applications that are currently paused will start up again. If you applied for asylum, your asylum application will now be decided. You will win asylum if you deserve it. If your application was already approved, it will no longer be subject to re-review, which the judge said was inappropriate to just continuously review your application even after you receive the benefit. So finally, the fourth thing to come out of this decision, if you are a national of one of these 39 countries, your nationality cannot be seen as a negative factor to deny you your benefit. They might deny you for other reasons, but not based on your nationality. Now, I want to read two large quotes from the decision. It's 135 pages, so I'm going to do a full analysis on it probably next week. But for now, I just want to read you some of the intro because the intro is really well written and it applies not just to the 39 country nationals, but to everybody that applies for immigrant benefits in the United States. In ruling on these motions, the court is reminded of a line often repeated in discussions around immigration policy. If people wish to immigrate to the United States, they ought to follow the law and do things the right way. This case serves as a perfect example of immigrants doing just that. They have, for example, filed the appropriate paperwork, paid the required filing fees, submitted to the requested biometrics collection, and attended the necessary in person interviews. Even so, plaintiffs, he's talking about the immigrants, and their members are stuck waiting for months on end for benefit requests that USCIS refuses to adjudicate. USCIS has neither followed the law nor done things the right way. Indeed, the agency has violated the very immigration laws that Congress has charged it with administering, as well as the administrative laws that govern the agency's actions. In enacting its latest immigration policies, USCIS claims statutory and regulatory authority that it does not possess. It makes decisions without the reasoned explanation that it must provide. It acts without regard for the reliance interests of applicants that it must consider, and it justifies its actions with pretextual concerns of national security that mask anti immigrant sentiments that it is forbidden from letting influence its decision making. In legal terms, that means USCIS's actions are contrary to law and arbitrary and capricious. This is a big win. I hope it lasts. In the meantime, expect a lot of action on your cases if they were pending and maybe some good approvals. Thank you for listening. If you want to see the full article on just the introduction, because I'll do a full one on the entire opinion next week, go to The Migration on Substack.